Draw two straight parallel lines going horizontal. Connect the left hand ends together. Then you're going to go straight out, curve around and back down, and then back over to make the eraser. Add three little straight lines for the little metal part. Then we're going to make a V shape connecting the other two ends. Where that started, you're going to do a little bouncing line, a little curved line here, then color in, oh no, forgot we got to do a little oval at the end here for where the logo would go, and then color in the little lead